This video is part of a Learning Phonics series to support new teachers, parents, and teaching assistants when teaching phonics. Keep watching to see more. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this.
O,
Hop. He had to hop, skip, and jump to win the race.
O,
On. Finally, she managed to switch on her computer.
O, D,
Odd. He decided to wear odd socks to school.
O,
Off.
He just couldn't switch his computer off.
O,
Hot. The weather was so hot.
O,
Cost. The cost of the books were really expensive.
O,
Top. She was top in the class for maths.
O,
Mop. He had to mop the floor.
O,
Pot. The pot was full of delicious foods.
O,
Rock. She bought a stick of rock at the adventure park.
O,
Stop. He pressed the stop button.
O,
Sock. He was wearing one blue sock and one red sock.
O,
Spot. There was a spot of ink on the floor.
O,
Not. I must not forget my homework. You can use this video as a lesson starter or as a revision guide for your students. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.